How to make your Facebook profile private. First of all, head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this 3 horizontal line right here and then tap on this gear icon. It will land you on your settings and privacy. Head over to privacy checkup and then click on who can see what you share. Tap on continue. It will land you on this interface. So right here what you have to do is to set all of this privacy to only me. And once you are done, just tap on next right here. So right here you have to end up doing the same thing. Set the privacy to only me. If you can't find the option of only me, then you can set the privacy to friends. And then tap on save. Now you can simply tap on next. Once again tap on next. There you go, now you are all done and your account has been converted to private. Now any of the activities that you do on Facebook won't be able to see by any people on Facebook anymore. Only with some of the people that you are friends on Facebook will be able to see your interactions. Well, that's it, and I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.